Question words. Who? Used to ask about a person's identity. For instance, who is coming to the party? What? Used to ask about objects, actions, or events. For instance, what is your favorite movie? Where? Used to inquire about a location or place. For instance, where is the nearest grocery store? When? Used to ask about a specific time or date. For instance, when does the concert start? Why? Used to seek reasons or explanations. For instance, why did you choose that career? How? Used to ask about the manner or method of doing something. For instance, how do you bake a cake? Which? Used to select from a limited number of choices. For instance, which book should I read first? Whose? Used to inquire about ownership or possession. For instance, whose car is parked in front of the house? These question words are essential for effective communication and information gathering. Thank you for watching our video.